let's do the unboxing now. What is this? Oh, I'm thrilled of how it looks, but I ordered this 3 days. Yeah, 3 days ago. Yeah, I'm looking what is the package, what is inside. Yeah. That's why we find out. Oh, why it's red?
What is it?
I order it because it's gold. But why it's red?
Let me see.
Oh, this is the jacket. 49ers.
Oh, you got that. Huh?
Yeah, 49ers jacket.
Okay. Very good. Very good.
Okay, open it up.
You
Open it. You open it. You open it. I order it because it's gold. I like the gold, but why they deliver me the red?
Oh.
Yeah. I order the
Oh, you ordered gold.
the gold.
Well, I don't know how to open
It's
it.
nice to look at. Here, babe.
Oh, I didn't see that. Well, it's really nice.
Okay.
But you ordered gold.
Yeah, I order gold, but they deliver me. Can I return it? No.
I don't know.
Okay.
You
Open
could,
it up. Open it up. How big?
It's not.
Because I order extra large.
I don't know. You ordered what?
Open it. Open it. Open it up.
Sure.
And the back is faithful to the
Oh, this
bay.
is extra large. Women. This is women.
Yeah, that is women.
Oh, let me see it on you.
That's why
Put
I
it on.
order the gold. I like the
Oh,
gold.
I'm sorry you didn't get gold, honey.
Yeah, what number is this? 75. They don't know how to.
Very good.
I
Gold. That is the color.
I like the gold.
The red and gold.
It's good.
Good. Very nice.
Look at the back.
Yeah, faithful to the bay. Very good. You look good, Barbie.
Go!
Niners.
Go Niners! Touchdown! Woo!